Welcome to our expert review of the top 5 best multicolor 3D printers in 2025. Discover the latest in vibrant, precision printing technology. Stay tuned until the end to uncover our exclusive pick that redefines multicolor capabilities, perfect for professionals, creators, and enthusiasts aiming for brilliance in every layer. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. An ultra-fast, smart 3D printer that takes your creations to the next level. From setup to printing, this machine promises speed, precision, and simplicity. Let's check out what makes it awesome. Forget the hassle of manual adjustments. The Adventurer 5M auto-levels the bed, ensuring a perfect first layer every time. Just one click, and you're printing no stress, no guesswork. It's beginner-friendly and time-saving for pros. With a Core XY build, 600mm S speed, and 20,000mm S superscript 2 acceleration, this printer is seriously fast. Ideal for rapid prototyping, it slashes production time without compromising on accuracy. Speed meets efficiency like never before. Swapping nozzles takes just 3 seconds. It heats to 200 degrees Celsius in 35 seconds and supports high-flow printing. The dual-sided PI platform is flexible and practical, making part removal easy and fuss-free every time. Print with precision using dual-fan nozzles and a 280 degrees Celsius extruder. Choose from multiple nozzle sizes to match your needs. Plus, monitor remotely with the FlashMaker app, stay connected and in control wherever you are. Keep it running smoothly by regularly cleaning the nozzle and platform. If anything goes wrong, just check the Handy A+ FAQ for easy solutions. It's built to be low maintenance and user-friendly. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is fast, smart, and super easy to use. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this 3D printer delivers quality and convenience in one sleek package. Number 4. The Prusa MK4 3D Printer. Prusa's latest and greatest 3D printer. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. The 4 MK4 comes as a DIY kit, perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy assembling their machines. Prefer ready to go? A pre-built version is also available, fully tested and calibrated. Thanks to the load cell sensor, you get flawless first layers every time, no manual tweaking needed. This is a huge win for consistency and reliability. With input shaper and a 32-bit platform, the 4 MK4 delivers high-speed prints without sacrificing quality. It's fast, efficient, and quieter too. The extruder allows easy nozzle swaps and includes a customizable UI with one-click printing. It's simple yet powerful. You get sample Prusa PLA, lifetime tech support, and 24/7 customer service. Peace of mind included. That's the Prusa 4 MK4. Number 3. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo 3D Printer. A compact high-performance machine packed with features that make 3D printing fast, fun, and effortless. Let's break down what makes this mini printer a major player. The A1 Mini boasts an incredible 10,000mm S superscript 2 acceleration, delivering lightning-fast prints without sacrificing detail. Whether you're prototyping or crafting intricate models, its precise motion control ensures your designs come out sharp and accurate every time. Thanks to the AMS light system, the A1 Mini Combo lets you print in multiple vibrant colors. Create stunning, multi-hue models easily, perfect for creative projects, cosplay parts, or fun, functional prints with professional quality. Forget the manual setup. The A1 Mini handles all calibration processes on its own. From Z offset to bed leveling, every step is automated, giving you more time to print and less time troubleshooting. Active flow rate compensation means smoother, more consistent prints. The A1 Mini adjusts in real time to ensure flawless extrusion, reducing blobs or gaps, resulting in perfect layers, even on detailed or complex parts. With a user-friendly touchscreen, 20-minute setup, and one-clip nozzle swaps, this printer is super convenient. Plus, it runs whisper quiet at under 48 dB, perfect for homes, classrooms, or studios. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is a powerful little printer with big features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, it delivers top-tier results. Number 2. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. Next-level speed, color, and smarts. With one ACE Pro, print in 4 colors. Add a second ACE Pro and the upcoming 8-color hub, and you're printing rainbows. It's a total game-changer for hobbyists who want vibrant, dynamic models. Say goodbye to clogs and tangles. The ACE Pro auto-loads, unloads, and keeps filaments dry with 55 degrees Celsius heating. This ensures reliable, clean prints every time, even in challenging environments. This printer rockets up to 600 mm S with 20,000 mm S superscript 2 acceleration. Recommended speed is 300 mm S, still incredibly fast. Print a standard boat in just over 11 minutes. Control everything from your phone. Slice, color, and monitor in real time. With LAN mode and remote access, it brings a whole new way to play and print. Advanced features like vibration compensation and pressure-controlled extrusion deliver smoother prints. The adjustable touchscreen and modular design make setup and use effortless. Speed, color, and intelligence, Kobra 3 Combo truly delivers. Number 1. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. A compact 3D printer packed with powerful features. Let's see what makes it a standout choice for makers of all levels. The A1 Mini delivers blazing speed with up to 10,000 mm S superscript 2 acceleration. It prints fast without compromising detail, giving you sharp, clean models every time. Perfect for rapid prototyping or detailed projects. With AMS Light, unleash vibrant, multicolored creations. The A1 Mini supports seamless color changes, making your designs pop with professional-grade finishes. Just grab the combo or add AMS Light separately. No more manual calibration. The A1 Mini auto-calibrates Z-offset, bed leveling, and more so you can focus on printing instead of tweaking. This smart feature adjusts flow in real time, ensuring smooth, accurate filament extrusion for consistent print quality, even on tricky parts. Enjoy hassle-free setup in 20 minutes. The intuitive touchscreen, pre-assembly, quiet operation, and quick swap nozzle make printing fun and simple. For speed, color, and ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a game changer.